model, 2015 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic Sportive starts runs needs dual mass clutch needs replacing No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 139345. MOT, the 6th of November 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Dual mass flywheel, clutch is noisy vibrating, ideally needs the complete clutch replacing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after, with the rare twin side doors and rear up and over tailgate grin. Features, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors, air con. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI.